If you need some new cutting boards, these ones right here are awesome. They are titanium, but not only that, they are obviously double-sided. I love that just because depending on what you are cutting, it is always nice to have a few different options. Of course, you can decide what you are going to do. I personally would probably be using the titanium side for like any kind of raw meat, just because when you use this side, you know, if I do have some like chicken or something that I'm cubing up, the chicken is more likely to like maybe kind of like get this side full of like bacteria. Of course, you are going to wash it, but when you have this titanium, it's just going to wipe clean, which I think is great. This side right here, you do have your great little groove right here, and you also have your little like grating station. So this is really good for garlic, or if you want to get any like orange or lemon lime zest, that's really good as well. You do have a great little handle right here, obviously for you to grab, or if you wanted to just kind of hang it up. One thing I do want to say, like on this side here with the titanium, you do have a raised edge, so it's not necessarily like the groove, but you still have that as well. So if there are juices, obviously it is easy to bring it over to the sink and to dump out. And the nice thing is that this is actually a set of 3. So this is the small one. You do also have the medium and large, and they look exactly the same. So you do have the groove, the little grating part, and then of course the heavy duty titanium. And let's just go ahead and give some of this a little bit of a chop. And yeah, feels really good. It is really nice and sturdy, of course. And right now I'm seeing there's like 0 marks on here, which is definitely a plus. My dog, of course, is sitting here waiting for a piece of apple. There you go, buddy. So if you are looking for some cutting boards, I mean, honestly, a set of 3 titanium, dual-sided, can't go wrong. One thing I did want to add is a lot of people are nervous about the titanium with your obviously really nice knives. And with the titanium, it's not actually going to dull your knives. That is the whole point of that. So to be able to have a side like this without ruining your knives is perfect.